My name's Justin Thomas. I'm Purchasing Director for Oxford Products. We are a distributor and wholesaler of motorcycle and bicycle accessories, both in the UK and to 90 countries around the world. So Intercity have been a supplier of our mobiles for many, many years. David has kept me informed as you guys have expanded into the IT side of things. And we had a server outage where we were under the impression that our backup setup would allow us to basically spin up a backup of the server onto another computer to get us up and running again pretty quick. It didn't turn out that way and we ended up being down for 72 hours. So we needed a better backup solution for that. Intercity were one of the companies that we discussed that with. It was competitive. It had all of the features that we knew we needed as a result of this outage. So it was all fresh in our minds about what we actually required. Now, we didn't want to have a completely separate server setup in this building. We wanted to be linked into the main servers in the main building. So that meant really that this side of the business is totally reliant on an internet connection, and with the IT infrastructure over there down, this building literally could do nothing. With the server outage, we moved over to you guys with the backup side of things as well, and we were able to increase the way that we do our backups both on-site and in the cloud, whereas previously it was just cloud-based. So that's made us a lot more resilient. As a result of the confidence we've built in Intercity from those previous projects, we've now giving all of our Office 365 licenses to you guys, and we are in discussions now about other areas of sort of our zero-point attacks and ransomware, that type of thing, just to add to that security stack, as David likes to call it. So once we made the decision to go with Intercity for our backup, the timing of it turned out to be a bit of a nightmare because it was right as COVID started. Physical IT equipment became a bit scarce around the whole of the globe, really. But eventually we did get the physical equipment we required to set up the backup, and from that point on it was a pretty painless process. We set up the backup servers alongside our current backup solution. Tested the two alongside each other just to make sure that nothing was being missed, and once we were happy that the new system was covering everything, we switched off the old one, and it's, touch wood if there's any about, it's been good ever since. We have a very young IT team. We needed software solutions that would be intuitive and easy for those guys to pick up. The previous solution that we had, which was very, very complicated to manage, we used to call it the A380 because the software system was just so complicated to look at. Finding a solution that was a lot simpler and easier for our guys to pick up was quite high on our priority list. Intercity are very good at offering a solution with multiple partners that they work with. They always have a partner which they're more than willing to bring in to speak to us directly. It's allowed us to develop a lot of trust with both David and with Intercity that when we ask for a solution, we're going to get a market-leading solution offered to us. Well, everything we've done with Intercity so far, both going right back to the mobile solution, which was when we were first introduced you, through the virus protection, the backup solution, we have a lot of confidence in the services that Intercity offer, and we fully intend to increase those in the future.